Artificial intelligence isn't just a tool anymore. It's becoming something far more powerful, reshaping how we live, work, and even think. Most people see AI as a chatbot that writes text or filter that edits photos, but that's only scratching the surface. AI isn't just writing text or making images anymore. It's doing things that most people don't even know are possible. Things that could change your life, your job, and even your thoughts. Before we dive in, let me introduce myself. I'm Jamal Khan, an entrepreneur, a deal maker, a tax advisor, and a financial strategist. I created the EliteHub platform built for ambitious minds to connect, share ideas, and collaborate on high-value opportunities. Thousands of people are joining EliteHub community every week. Now, let's talk about 5 things AI can already do right now. Things most people don't even realize that will absolutely blow your mind. You've probably interacted with chatbots that seem polite, but new AI models are going beyond polite. They're learning to read human emotions, not just from what you say, but from how you say it. For example, advanced AI can now analyze your voice tone, your facial expressions in real time, even the rhythm of your typing, and detect if you're happy, anxious, frustrated, or lonely. Companies are already using this. Call centers are deploying AI that monitors conversations and trains human agents in real time, like slow down the customer, sounds angry, or add empathy here. Advertising firms are testing AI-driven cameras in stores that watch your face and change which ads you see depending on your mood. And here's the mind-blowing part. AI isn't just reading your emotions, it's learning how to influence them. In experiments, chatbots have successfully calmed angry users, encouraged people to buy products, and even persuaded someone to share personal secrets, all without that person realizing they were being guided by an algorithm. The question is, if a machine can do that now, what happens when AI becomes even better at emotional manipulation than humans themselves? You've probably seen AI-generated images of people who don't exist, but that's just the beginning. Today's AI can create ultra-realistic human avatars, people that look, sound, and move exactly like us, but were never born. They can record videos, speak multiple languages, even host shows. Synthetic voices that can replicate any accent, tone, or personality, even mimic a famous person you've never met. Virtual worlds so detailed that they can trick your senses. Companies are already building AI-generated cities, forests, and interiors. Now imagine what that means. News anchors could be fully AI-driven and you would never know. Entire influencers online could be fake, posting, living, and interacting without any real human behind them. Political speeches, podcasts, and even video calls could be synthetic, making it increasingly difficult to separate reality from simulation. This technology is both exciting and terrifying, because when you can no longer tell what's real, trust itself becomes a new kind of currency. Most people think of AI as a writing tool that helps with emails or essays, but cutting-edge AI is doing much more. It can now design entire apps or websites in minutes. You can tell it, build me an e-commerce store that sells shoes, and it will generate the design, the backend code, and payment system, everything. Create music that sounds professionally composed. Some of these AI composed tracks are already being used in movies and advertisements. Write full books or screenplays including plot twists, characters, and dialogues that feel like they were crafted by experienced writers. This means a single person can now do what used to require an entire team. Here's the catch. If one person can do the work of 10 using AI, what happens to the other 9? Are they replaced? Or do they have to find a way to use AI themselves to stay relevant? The speed at which AI can produce is incredible, but it's also forcing everyone to rethink what value really means in the workplace. AI isn't just analyzing your past behavior, it's getting so good it can predict what you'll do next, sometimes before you even know yourself. Think about this. Streaming platforms already know what you're likely to watch next and autoplay it to keep you hooked. E-commerce sites don't just recommend products, they know the exact moment you're most likely to buy and hit you with perfect ad or discount. Social media algorithms can predict which content will keep you scrolling, which posts will make you emotional, and even which topics might influence your opinions. Here's where it gets deeper. These systems don't just predict, they nudge you. If AI knows you're about to make a decision, say buying something, voting for something, or even changing your beliefs, it can strategically show you the exact content needed to push you in that direction. It's not science fiction, it's happening right now. And most people have no idea how much of their free will is already being reshaped by machines. The final mind-blowing capability, AI isn't learning like we do, it's learning much faster. For example, a chess grandmaster might spend 20 years mastering the game. AI, it can play millions of matches in a single day, test every possible strategy, and become unbeatable in less than 24 hours. Language learning, AI models now teach themselves new languages without human input. They don't just translate, they develop their own internal thought systems to understand meaning better than many humans do. Science. Some AI systems are already discovering new materials, new chemical structures, and even suggesting new ways to cure disease, things no human had thought of before. The speed at which AI improves means it's not just a tool, it's an accelerating intelligence. If it continues at this pace, the question isn't just what can AI do now, how quickly will it surpass things we once thought only humans could do? The truth is, AI is no longer just a gadget or a trend. It's a force that's reshaping everything: our work, our emotions, our choices, even our reality. Some of these capabilities are exciting, some are unsettling, but ignore them. But ignoring them isn't an option. The people who understand AI today will be the ones shaping tomorrow. In the end, AI isn't just changing the game, it's rewriting the rules. The only question is, will you play to win? If you're serious about staying ahead in this fast-changing world, download EliteHub now. Join a community that's all about growing knowledge and sharing ideas. And if you want more videos that open your mind, make sure to subscribe. I'm Jamal Khan, signing off. And one last thing, if you miss the crypto wave, don't make the same mistake twice. Tap here and I'll show you exactly how to ride AI wave to rebuild wealth before it's too late.